guys, how are you doing? Happy new month. This is new month, December. It's almost Christmas, guys. Almost.
1, 2, 3.
So, welcome to Natural Favorite C, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you like my content and that you subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome also. I'm happy to see you here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button down below or on the screen somewhere, and also click on the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Today we are going to be doing I'm going to be doing a Frohawk, but not a Frohawk. I don't know how to explain it. You're gonna see it. It's a Frohawk, but I'm gonna like make it like in buns and all those things. I'm not gonna like bring out my fro because my hair is too long. Also, I wanted to like talk about it formally. I'm going to be posting 2 times a week, and I don't wanna I might not. Some weeks it's possible that I might just post once a week, but I'm making the decision to post 2 times a week for just December, because I want to bring out more content for you guys this month. So be expecting a video on Wednesday or Friday. I would choose between what days I want to bring out content. So I will tell you the final decision on my Instagram page. Follow me at Natural Favorite C. I post on my stories every day, and I post on my feed maybe Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. So yeah, now let's head into the video. So as I said before, today I am going to be doing a Frohawk, and this is actually my first time doing this. So the things that you need for this style is, number 1, your hair ties. I also have one more on my head that I'm going to be using, and then some bobby pins. I have some in this container, and then you need your combs to divide and to detangle. Then you also need your hairbrush to slick down, and then for the final one you need your gel. So I started using the Eco Styling Gel. I've always wanted to try this gel because people always talk about how good it is, and I've actually used it for what have I used it for? I think I've used it for like my wash and go, but I haven't actually used it to like slick my hair down or anything. So I'll be trying this today. I bought the black castor and flaxseed oil. My friend told me to get this because she said that it works better. So you guys tell me what type of gel you use in the comments down below. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is that I am going to divide my hair into 4 sections. Like, this is horizontal. So horizontally, I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. So for that, I'm going to be using this comb. fun. How long did that even take me? It took me like almost like 20 minutes. And this is my first ever time doing this, and I think it came out pretty good, like for the first time. I don't know, but yeah, as you saw, I can still try to use bobby pins to like put in some hair that I don't really want, like the front. I feel like it's too big or too small, I don't even know, but I actually like it. I actually like it. It came out really good, pretty good, not really good. I think I'm gonna try this style again in one of my videos again, and we'll see how it comes out again. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you try it, and if you do try it, at me and Natural Favorite C on when you post it on your Instagram or Facebook, Favorite Chima. I will put the links down below. Yeah guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and comment. Tell me what you like. I also asked a question concerning the Eco Styling Gel. What type of gel do you use? Comment down below, and I will try to see if I can also try it and see how it works for me. Tell me also how you like the style in the comments below or in my Instagram post. And yeah, that is it. I'll either see you sometime this week again in my YouTube, in one of my YouTube videos I'll be posting this week again, Wednesday or Friday, or next week Monday at 1 p.m. See you guys. Bye.
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we